let me introduce you what we are included in our cocktail smoker kit. And you can see here is our folding box, and there is no logo here. And if you want to do OEM, you can offer us your custom design, and we can do it for you. And you can see here we have a building torch, the wooden smoker, and there are 4 wood chips. There are 4 wood chips here, and this part is used to put ice stones. And if you don't want ice stones, you can just put the EPE foam here, and also include 1 spoon and the cleaning brush. Okay, and maybe you will ask, what is the plastic box? This box is used to put the stainless steel ice stones. Okay, and you can also put a logo on the smoker. You can see here is a customized sample for our customer.